I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the auto clicker ready and placing it where clicks will occur. Begin with a trusted exe, install and allow permissions so it can control the cursor. Once done, run the program as administrator when the target app requires elevation, because that ensures clicks register. Make sure the target window is open and your cursor is visible. Position the pointer roughly where you want automated clicks. This first step avoids permission errors and speeds up the rest of the setup. You now configure how the auto clicker behaves and why each choice matters. Choose click type, left, right, or middle, and single or double because some tasks require doubles to trigger actions. Then set the interval in milliseconds or clicks per second. Shorter intervals increase speed but may be unreliable, so consider enabling small randomization to mimic human timing. Next, pick location mode. Current cursor, fixed x/y coordinates, or a pattern. This determines accuracy. Once configured, test briefly to confirm clicks hit the intended targets. You finish by running and supervising the auto clicker and knowing how to fix common issues. Assign a clear start/stop hotkey. Test it so you do not trigger automation at the wrong time. While running, watch CPU and the target app. If it lags or drops clicks, reduce the speed or add a small delay. If clicks don't register, make sure you ran the clicker as administrator, check that the correct window has focus, and switch between current cursor and fixed coordinates to diagnose the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.